Hi, welcome. So in this video, we will discuss about what is inbox in Meta Business Suite. So you have to click login into the Meta Business Suite. So just type on the Google Meta Business Suite. So once you click, you will be redirected to here. So when you will click on the inbox, so in the inbox you will see all the message, all the Instagram comments coming from, like here you can see all the Facebook comments. Here you can see all the Instagram comment. Whatever the comment has been posted on your Instagram account will be reflected here. Okay, and the messenger, all the message will be reflected here. Whatever the message comes from the person, all the message will be reflected here. And in the only in the messenger, and here you can see all the message that comes in the Instagram message box will be reflected here. The Facebook comment will be reflected here, the Instagram comment will be reflected here. And when you will click on the all message will be reflected here. It can be related to the Facebook account, Instagram account, message plus comment bot. Here you can create the filter like unread. If the message is unread, so all the message will be reflected here. Add response will be reflected here. You can assign the label, whatever the label you assign, all the reflected here. So like I am showing some one example, just a minute. So from here you can filter out all the things that you can you need to manage. So you can filter add response, turn, follow up, everything. All the message will be reflected here. So the main purpose of the inbox is like respond to message, setup, automation and more. Okay, so from here you can do everything. Here you will see multiple options, like you can change the status from here, like if you are not available, so you can just select away. So from when you will click on this, so let people know when you are away, message received during this time do not affect your response rate. Okay, you will be notified when the people send your message. When you will click available, so you will on your profile the green box will be there, like the people you are available to chat. Okay, and in the away section you will see away. You can also add the away message from here, like when instant reply, when any person will message you, you can just instant reply will be there. Some FAQ will be there. This is the away message that you can set, like try it when you will click. And from here you can see here, like at the time here in which time you want to send this message. Okay, thank you for message, we are away and can't respond at this time, we appreciate you getting in touch. So there are the multiple type of the automation that you can set, like identify unanswered message, custom keywords, contact information, and hours, location, comment to message. So the multiple automation that we can implement in Meta Business Suite. So all the automation that we have created will be reflected here. If you want to create automation, you can click on the create automation. You can select the templates from here. Otherwise, just have to click on the start from the scratch, and from that you can start creation of the automation from the scratch. So in the Meta Business Suite, inbox is the best thing in that you can manage all things at one place. Okay, you doesn't need to log in Instagram to see the Instagram comments. Just log into Meta Business Suite and see the Instagram comments. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care.